I'm gonna win ya. I'm gonna get you, get you, get you, get you one way or another. I'm gonna see ya. I'm gonna meet you, meet you, meet you, meet you one day. Maybe next week. I'm gonna meet ya. I'm gonna meet ya. I'll meet ya.
Super tired. But actually today's a pretty good day. Today in school, let's see. The highlight of my day was that this kid in my class was like non-social. He doesn't want to hang out with people. I was like, hey, Henweenie. So you want to be my best friend? He's like, why? And he's like, yeah, sure, I'll be your best friend. Wait, really? And he's like, yeah, sure, I'll be your best friend. So, we're best friends. Totally best BFFs forever. And that was pretty much the highlight of my day, which is really sad. But yeah. I'm gonna get changed, and then I will see you guys in a second. Okay, this was not my idea of fun. Laundry. Well, first I gotta plug it in. And get the fancy. So, I'll tell you guys a story, okay? I gotta think of one. I don't have any stories. Well, I bet this is really fun for you guys, watching me do laundry. Just pour that detergent in there, get it all in there, yeah. Pour it in. And, oh, door's open, duh. And that's how you do the laundry. Ow, ew. Splashed the detergent all over myself. Dear God. I am so sorry you had to see this. Okay. Now we're gonna do something fun. Let's get a snack. Yeah. Food always makes everything better. I like a double chin. Need to get some surgery. I don't know where I'm going. I really don't. I'm by myself now. My sister just left to go to the dentist. And I'm thirsty. I kind of want ice cream, but I don't think we have ice cream. It's really sad. It's like really, really, really sad. My hair is being weird. Dear God. I say that a lot, dear God. Okay. Now I'm vlogging.
Shut up!
This is me trying to get my sister to let me use her laptop because the internet on my laptop isn't working for some reason, but the internet on hers is working.
Oh, thank you for telling me. I'm gonna get off my computer now.
See, I don't know how that works, but...
If you get to watch Fruit Basket, then yes, I will.
We can watch Fruit Basket later. Oh my God, I'm like the slowest eater in the world. Okay, it's like really bright back there, so you can't really see me. But that's okay, you don't need to see me. Okay, I figured a good idea for my vlog would be my friends and I are... Oh, I have friends. Well, they're not really my friends. They're just doing this because they think I'm weird. I don't know if you can see this. Wait. It says How to Kill the Dead and has a weird picture on it. I just put that picture on to take up space. That's not going to be our actual cover for the DVD. Or the title, or whatever the frick that is. Okay. So, we're making a zombie movie. Yeah, awesome. And it's going to be like almost full length. Hopefully, maybe 45 minutes long. I'm going to put it on my main channel. But I'll do some behind the scenes and I'll put that on my vlog channel. This channel. But, you know, I figure I'll just like read you some lines from it so you have like a sneak peek of it, because that's just how awesome I am. I'm trying to find a good place to like read you guys. Ow, I just bit my cheek. Here, I'll just read you this scene. Okay. I don't know. I'll tell you who's who first. Okay, the cast of our movie. Daisy, that's the name of the character, is going to be Julia, my friend Julia. Lily is going to be moi, that's me. And Abby is going to be Isabel. She's been in my other videos. Julia's been in one of my videos. She was in my first vlog. She was dancing with Marisabel. She was the blonde one dancing on the Wii. That's Julia. And Isabel is the one, she's on my main channel. And I think there's some vlogs with her. But yeah, she's on my main channel. She's the one with the freakish curly hair. She's in a lot of my videos. You should know who she is. Dave is going to be my friend Nathan. He hasn't been in any of my videos. I was gonna post one video of us that we did that was really stupid, but it wouldn't upload and I didn't feel like fixing it, so I didn't. But I might upload it later. But you'll know who he is because he's drunk and high all the time, and he has weird hair that kind of sticks up in the front. And his little sister Ella is gonna be Eliza, and my sister Isabel. I think she's been in some of my videos. She's like she's from Guatemala, so she looks Guatemalan. Yeah, my sister Isabel is gonna be Tiffany. My mom is gonna be my mom. I don't think she's been in any of my videos. My dad has, and he's gonna be Rick, a zombie. And he's been in one of my vlogs because I videotaped him making a sandwich or something. I was bored. Okay, I'm so weird. Matt is gonna be Liam. He's a blonde dude. You'll know who he is when you see him. He hasn't been in my videos. Neither has Sam, but Sam's gonna be Kellen. And finally we have some extra zombies, which will be Millie, who she's been in a bunch of my videos and vlogs. And Felicia. I don't think she's been in any. So that's the whole cast, so you get that. Now hold on, I need to get a drink of juice from my Nemo cup. That's good juice. That is really good juice. It looks like blood. Wait. Oh, I just spilled it on the table. I'm really stupid, in case you haven't noticed. I don't know if I should just leave it there, or if I should clean it up. I'm going to drink more juice. That is good. I'm going to get a napkin and kind of clean it up, because I don't know if juice like leaves a stain or what the crap it does, but there we go. Okay. Ew. Okay, I'm going to read you that scene now. This is scene 7. We're all sitting around a campfire, and I say, well, this is fun. Matt says, right. Callan says, how will I be able... I'm going to do the voices. How will I be able to sleep at night, knowing those chomping creepers are out there? Okay, and this will be Lily's voice. My voice. But I'm going to have, like, a British accent. There we go. You make me sick. I don't know if that was British. Kellen, sad face. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that. I'm supposed to do that. Dave, his voice. I love fire! Me too. Why don't you jump in? My British accent is so bad. Nice try, yo. I just added the yo part. Okay. Abby's voice. I'll shove him in. And Daisy's gonna have a southern accent. Nah, he's suffering right now. How? Because I'm starving, yo. Share your food. No, go hunt for some yourself. I feel like a caveman, bro. You look like one, too. Who wishes he had my good looks? I really need to brush my hair. This is disgusting. Matt's voice. What was Matt? It looks the same as always. So you're saying it always is ugly? No, I meant... Grrr! I'll read you the rest. Okay. Dang. Must be that time of the month. I kind of want to read you guys more of this, but I don't want to, like, spoil it all. I'll read you another short scene, just because I'm having fun doing the voices. Oh my god. I'll read you a dramatic scene. Lily and Matt like each other in this, so it's going to be, like, dramatic. Okay. Matt, sitting off alone, walks up behind him. Leaf crunches. Zombie! Oh, it's just you. I just came here to say I'm so... What's that? I'm so sorry. Yeah, Lily's like kind of hardcore, and she doesn't apologize to people that easily. One more time. I'm sorry. Apology accepted. Okay then. And then there's a little kissing action there. But, it's a stage kiss, it's not real, so don't get grossed out already. I'm gonna, like, try this more. There we go. Aw, it looks like I had my period on this towel. Napkin. Where was I? Kissy, kissy, kissy. Then zombie attacking. And crap happens. But yeah, so there's like a sneak peek of our weird parody of zombie movies. I'm gonna throw this pad out. This has been 8 minutes and I'm boring. I need something entertaining to do. I'll think of something. Okay, so to end my vlog for the day, I went on the computer. Woohoo. And now I'm gonna watch a movie with my dad. He's over there. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. He's like, I'm too cool for this. Okay, well, I'm excited to see my bestie tomorrow. That's not creepy. And Weenikins. Yeah. But I'm gonna go now because I'm like running out of room on here to record. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.